today we're going to be talking about some social emotional skills. We're going to talk about recognizing and identifying emotions in yourself and others, and then also you want to be able to manage your expressions and outbursts. So these are important for a couple of reasons. Recognizing emotions in yourself and others helps you to exist peacefully in a classroom environment, and it will help them as they start to develop friendships and just generally throughout life. The ability to recognize what someone else is feeling, recognize what you are feeling, is just a helpful skill to have. As far as managing expressions of your feelings, that is super helpful in a classroom environment and also in a home environment. When our little ones are feeling frustrated, we don't want them to use their fists and their feet. We want them to use their words and to communicate with us. And this is a really hard skill to learn, so it's going to take repeated practice. So to learn to recognize emotions in self and others, one of the things that you can do is when you are reading books or watching TV shows, you can ask your little one if they can recognize what the person is feeling. So I have a book here today, and I chose this one because there's a lot of different emotions on this character's face. So because they can't read, it's really helpful to go through and look at the pictures. And you can combine what it says on the page with the expression that the character is making. Right? Super great expressive picture books are wonderful for this. If they're struggling there, we have a ton of books that are just about individual emotions. There's this great series that we have called Dealing with Feelings. It talks about the things that might make you feel a certain way. And then we've got this series. It's got happy, it's got angry, it's got sad, it's got scared. And that will help them because it explains all the different ways that you can feel happy. And then we have this Abdo Emotions. And again, here you can see the facial expressions. One of the things that we have done when we had the Let's Get Ready for Kindergarten program here is that we had the kids show us what their face might look like when they're feeling angry. So we have everybody make an angry face, and then everybody makes an angry face, and then everybody makes a happy face. And sort of by being able to feel what that looks like will help them when they start to feel those emotions and recognize those emotions. In terms of managing their expressions of feelings and thoughts and impulses and behaviors, there's a lot of different things you can do. One of our favorites here at the library is to do games like, or songs like Head, Shoulders, Knees, and Toes. Red Light, Green Light is a good game for managing those impulses. And Mother May I is another popular one. So I hope that was helpful, and we look forward to seeing you next time.